Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your new Wix website. After you accept the transfer, you have to log in into your Wix account if you did not already. And you should see a list of the websites you have in your account once you log in. The first thing you want to do is connect the website to a premium plan. So go ahead and select the site. And then click this option compare plans or the upgrade purple button. Once you do that, you will be directed to a page where you can select your premium plan. For your website, as you don't sell anything and it's just a presentation website, the combo plan is just enough. You can go ahead and get this one, or if you want these extra features like site booster app, visitor analytics, you can go ahead and purchase the unlimited plan, but as I see the situation, the combo plan is just good enough for you. If you already have a premium Wix plan in your account, you want to transfer it to this new website. So click here on your name at the top and then go to premium subscriptions. Once you are in the premium subscription page, you should see something like this, the premium plan that you have and the domain if you got one. You want to click these three dots near the domain name and then click assign to a different site, and then from the list that opens, just select the website you want to transfer the plan to. So you want to find this website that was just transferred to your account. Once you do that, just hit next and follow the next steps. It should be a pretty straightforward process, and the domain, if you have one, will get transferred along with the plan. If it doesn't, click again here at your name at the top and then click domains. Then a list of domains you own will open. And near the domain you want to transfer to the new premium site, just hit again these three dots and click assign to a different site, and again select the website that is now premium and click next. Moving on back to the site dashboard, just click select site to get there. There are a few steps that still need to be done. After you've connected the plan and the domain, you will see the next thing is get found on Google. I will take care of most of the step in here, and I will let you know when you need to do something here. It will be like right at the end. You need to connect the website to one of your Google accounts. It can be business or personal, but I need you to connect the domain before I can do this part. Here in the dashboard you have settings, so please go ahead and here in business info fill in all these informations like business name, short description of business, category, and maybe add your logo and location. Nobody will see this page, it's just for Google to know more information about your website, so it can present it to the right customers for you. Now let's move on to actually editing the website. To enter the editor, you can click this site action button and click edit site, or simply click the edit site button at the left corner of the screen. The editor will open in a new browser tab. Allow it a few minutes to load. Once you're in the editor, it will look like this, pretty similar with the live website. I will open it here as well. Also, once you upgrade to the premium plan domain, this bar at the top will be gone. So the only difference in the editor compared to the live site is the fact that you can click on every element and change it. So for example, on the logo, you can just simply drag it around like this, so you can change its position if you want. Same with the menu here, but the menu it mostly copies the pages that you have set here. So if you open this menus and pages tab, you will see the pages of the website, and they basically reflect in this menu. So you can change what this says from here. You have to open pages, and you can from here rename the pages if you want, or change their position in the menu. To change a background, just click on it and click change slide background, and if you want to change it with an image, click that. You can also add a video or just a plain color. Click image, and if you go to slide files, you will see in this gallery all the pictures that we used on your website. You can select an image that was previously uploaded, or you can upload new media from your computer like this. Just double click on an image and it will upload into the gallery, and to change it, just double click on an image. Here in settings, you can edit the opacity of the image, so if you want it darker, you just modify the slider like this. Here at the top there are two buttons, undo and redo, that are quite useful in case you want to go back multiple steps when you do something that you don't like. You can just hit that button and it will as many times as you need. To change between the slides, this is just the first slide. Just click manage slides after you click the image, and then you can go to another number. Here are all the slides, and once you selected a slide that you want to edit, just go back to it and click change slide background, and you can change that image. To change any text element, you just have to click on it and click edit text, and then you can write anything you want, just typing with your keyboard. To exit the edit mode for text, just click the background image or anything else on the website. Another element are buttons. So if you just click on a button, you can change the text of it, so it can say something, get in touch with us instead of contact us, and so on. And you can change where it goes to. It can be a page of your website, or it can be an external web address, document. It can open an email or phone number, and so on. You can see all the options in here. You can also change the styling of buttons. If you click this pen icon design and you click customize design, you can make it have a background color and so on. You can add any color you want hitting this plus button, and then just select one from the spectrum, click add, and it will get added here at the bottom, and then just click the color and it will change. Buttons also have a hover mode, like what happens when you go with your mouse over it, and you can also customize how that appears. I'm just gonna go back with this one. If you scroll down, you'll see the other sections of the home page, but again the situation is pretty much the same. If you want to change an image, you can just click change image, and the gallery will open where you can select a different one by just double clicking on it. And text elements, exactly the same. As you can see, some text elements are grouped. So to access the text, you have to click on the group and then click again on the text that you want to edit by clicking edit text. You have also here some icons. You can change them by clicking change basic shape, and then Wix Gallery has a lot of vector art that you can use. You can use certain keywords to search through icons. Maybe you want, let's say, house or something like that, and then you will have a lot of options to choose from. By just double clicking on an icon, you will be this will change, and then you can change the color by clicking this design icon. All the elements are either images, buttons, or text that are grouped, so they are all changed the same way. To navigate through the pages of your website, you'll notice that you can click on these. So you want to go here in menus and pages, and if you click on the about page, then the page will change like this, and here you can perform the same actions as on home page. You can change strip backgrounds with images, videos, or something else. You can change text pretty easily, and any image that you want. This is the same for all the pages of your website. All your pages are pretty similar. It's nothing too complicated. On the contact page, have a contact form. I think right now it goes to this email. Let me check. But if you go on contact page and click form settings, you will be able to easily change the email address this goes to. If you go to settings, email notifications, and just write in here the email that you want this to go to. You can also have multiple emails. So I see that my email is still in there, and I'm gonna put yours. You can add new email and add two emails maybe in case you don't want to miss anything. Every time you make a change to the desktop website view, make sure that you also switch to mobile from here and see if everything looks good in the mobile view. Sometimes even if you change just a few lines of text, Wix tends to mess this up and maybe look like this, and you want to just drag it back in place. In mobile you can perform access such as change style. All you can do is change the position of elements so they don't overlap, and you can make text and images bigger or smaller with the handles. So basically you can just move these things around to make them fit better in the page, but not change the styling. All that is done from the desktop side. Once you're done making any edit, hit the save button so you are sure that they get saved. They usually get automatically saved, but not all the time. If you just hit the save button, then the change will appear only in the editor for next time you come. So let me change this background image again, and I will show you what I mean. So I'm just selecting this random image, and if I just click the save button and I exit the editor, the live site did not change at all. But if I enter the editor again, the new image will be there. If you want everyone to see the changes that you've done, you have to hit the blue publish button. And now if I refresh the page, you see that this changed for everyone as well. So this is the difference between these buttons. The preview button just shows the live website into the editor. Let me know if you need help with anything specifically, and I will make another video about it.